Welcome to Day 9 of the Biology Domination Crash Course. Today, we are revisiting Cell, the unit of life. NTA doesn't just ask basic questions here. They trap you with the Fluid Mosaic Model dates, the microtubule arrangements of cilia versus centrioles, and chromosome shapes. Today, we are cracking these exact high-yield concepts, doing an NCERT X-ray on the plasma membrane, and solving 5 recent PYQs. Let's lock in those 4 marks. First, the plasma membrane. You must know the Fluid Mosaic Model proposed by Singer and Nicolson. The year is crucial, 1972. Think of it as protein icebergs floating in a sea of lipids. The quasi-fluid nature of the lipids enables the lateral movement of proteins within the overall bilayer. This ability to move within the membrane is measured as its fluidity. Next, the ultimate NTA trap, microtubule arrangement. Do not mix these up. Cilia and flagella have an axoneme with a 9+2 arrangement. That means 9 peripheral doublets and 2 central singlets. But centrioles? They have a 9+0 arrangement, forming a cartwheel structure with 9 peripheral triplets and 0 in the center. Write this down. Time for the NCERT X-ray. Look at the paragraph right after the Fluid Mosaic Model. The fluid nature of the membrane is important for specific functions: cell growth, formation of intercellular junctions, secretion, endocytosis, and cell division. NTA loves to give you 4 options and ask, which of the following is not a function of the fluid nature of the membrane? Memorize this list. Before the PYQs, let's hack chromosomes based on centromere position. Metacentric is exactly in the middle, forming a V shape during anaphase. Submetacentric is slightly away from the middle, forming an L shape. Acrocentric is close to its end, forming a J shape. And telocentric has a terminal centromere, forming an I shape. Let's test your active recall. Question 1. The term Fluid Mosaic Model was proposed by who? 3, 2, 1. The answer is C. Singer and Nicolson in 1972. Question 2. A chromosome with the centromere situated close to its end is called 3, 2, 1. Be careful, close to the end, not at the end. The answer is B, acrocentric. Telocentric is at the absolute terminal end. Rapid fire for the last 2. What is the microtubular arrangement in cilia and flagella? 3, 2, 1. It is 9+2. And what are the 2 subunits of the ADS eukaryotic ribosome? 3, 2, 1. Stop doing math. It's 60S and 40S. How many PYQs did you get right? Drop your score in the comments. If the 9+2 trick helped you, hit that subscribe button. Tomorrow, Day 10, we are diving deep into the toughest chapter, biomolecules. Save this playlist and let's dominate NEET 2026.